Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I size my picture in my word processing document to fit my ornament. Here's my ornament right here. So it's a bubble or a bauble ornament. I don't know, I think it's B-A-U-B-L-E. I'll link it in the description box. And you just hold it up to your picture and you can see what size you need just by holding it over that. I'd like to make this a little bit smaller because I don't want to have too much on the outside. I want to have the main focus of my ornament be on the middle of my ornament when I transfer it with decoupage. Sorry for the shakiness of this video. I'm trying to hold the camera while I film and I'm having a little problem with my arm, so bear with me. So I'm going to just resize my picture again, and then I'm going to make the margins bigger because my paper is already in my printer and the tissue is attached to the center of the picture. So there we go. I want the main focus to be the cardinals and the house, but I want it to be smaller than the ornament, so I think that'll be good. Alright, so real time, I'm going to also change the format up here, and I'm going to make it a bit brighter, and then I'm going to hit print, and I'm going to go into my properties in my printer commands, and yeah, I'm just going to select plain paper, and then I'm going to do high quality print. I have my paper loaded in the rear tray, so you have to switch that. When I print on different kinds of papers that I have attached to a piece of computer paper, I print from the rear tray. You don't have to do that, but it might help you too. And then I hit OK, and then I have to hit OK again. And then I'm just going to take you over to the printer so you can see. It's already loaded. I have the paper, the tissue attached, and it's just going to print it out on the tissue. So really you can use this method for any kind of image transfer from a different kind of paper. If you just cut the paper smaller and you attach it to a piece of computer paper with Scotch tape, you shouldn't have a problem. So here we go. That's my print, and it's on a piece of tissue, which I'm going to wet the outside of the image with water, and then I'm just going to tear it slightly and attach it to my Christmas ornament and make a beautiful Christmas ornament. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Got a little smudge over there, but that's not important. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. Take care.